You must see this if you own at least 1 million Shiba Inu tokens. There have been a lot of events over the last 24 hours that you need to be aware of in the world of cryptocurrency, regardless of whether you have SHIB or simply any coin. This is crucial. Therefore, you must see this if you have any interest in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What's the most recent Shiba Inu coin news then? And how will all of this affect the value of Shiba? I'll be addressing these concerns in today's video, in which I'll also share all of the recent information that has increased the value of Shiba Inu and explain why there is still a strong likelihood that you could become a millionaire through Shiba Inu. You should watch the full movie to get all the price-boosting information, since I put a lot of study into it. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, let's look at the chart first and see what is happening with the price of Shiba on August 23, shall we, before we go on to our issue. Currently, a Shiba Inu costs around 856 units. SHIB's price has dropped 1.6% during the last day, and $400 million worth of activity has taken place during that time. The token is presently the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $5 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Please do your own research before investing, since this information is not financial advice and trading in cryptocurrencies is dangerous. There are 549 trillion SHIB coins in circulation. However, owing to coin burns, this amount is dwindling daily. The initial quantity of the token was 1 quadrillion. Before we go on to the main plot of the film, we must first inform you of the most recent developments in recent crypto news. So let's get started without wasting any time. Consequently, the cryptocurrency markets crashed overnight, with Bitcoin falling 8% in a matter of minutes. But who was responsible for Bitcoin's 8% decline? Here are the specifics. The largest cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin, dropped from almost 29,000 to as low as 25,234, before somewhat rebounding in early trade on Friday. Data from CoinGlass shows that during the sell-off, holdings worth more over $1 billion were liquidated. According to papers cited by the Wall Street Journal, Elon Musk's SpaceX has sold all its Bitcoin holdings after writing down 373 million, making this the largest single-day sale of Bitcoin since the market turmoil in June 2022. Since the journal story doesn't say when SpaceX sold their Bitcoin, this is still just conjecture. According to chain analytics company Sandman, this is perhaps the main cause of Bitcoin's decline. Bitcoin whale transactions increased to their greatest level in over a month, according to Sandman, and this pattern began long before the significant decline. The whole crypto market fell as a result of this massive sell-off, what really transpired at the introduction of Shibarium. Shiba technical difficulties contributed to the recent Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain launch, which resulted in roughly 1.7 million Ethereum being stuck in the Shibarium cross-chain bridge for many hours, according to New Team's explanation. There have also been concerns about the SHIB community's general poor user experience, a terrible blockchain explorer, and an unreliable RPC infrastructure. Technical issues brought on by heavy traffic, but the Shiba Inu team has released a statement outlining the circumstances surrounding the debut of Shibarium. They said that the main reason for the network's technical problems was an unusually large level of traffic. According to the company, Shibarium quickly got millions of compute units of traffic during its inaugural run. It further said that an analysis had shown that hundreds of contracts had been generated in a single block, triggering Shibarium to halt in a fail-safe mode. Shiba Satoshi Kusama, the principal developer for New, provided similar comments in August. 17 blog entries. Kusama said in the article that Shibarium had no bridge problems and that the network only crashed as a result of an enormous increase of transactions and users after it went online. The team said in its most recent announcement that it had enlisted outside assistance to grow Shibarium's operations so that more users could use the internet network without experiencing any more problems. The team has discovered many potential methods for carrying out the network upscaling, claims Shib creator Calteria, who adds that he will notify the Shiba Inu community of whatever action will be made in due course. FUD causing fake screenshot. Daria also took issue with a screenshot that has been making the rounds on social media that he said was a fake and purported to represent an inside discussion amongst Shiba Inu developers. X, now known as Twitter, was contacted by the creators to assist in locating the author of the screenshot so that they may be prosecuted. It would be much appreciated if you could click the like button if you are still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. Additionally, keep an eye out for Shiba Inu upgrades and what the future of the Shiba Inu currency could entail. To commemorate the debut of Shibarium, Bitrue will distribute over 10 billion Shiba Inus. The declaration was made by Bitrue in a recent post on its official X account. In the meanwhile, the cryptocurrency trading platform specified requirements that players had to meet in order to get a portion of the SHIB prize. The announcement from the exchange said that in a subsequent post on X, it will reveal a 10 billion Shiba Inu reward reserved just for Shibarian Carnival, its Shibarian season. Shiba and new fans do not need to meet any additional criteria in order to take part in the 10 billion reward. Users are merely needed to deposit, in contrast to the original announcement. You may trade any of the Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens on Bitrue. Shib, Bone, and Leash are the supported currencies. The Doge Killer Leash was posted on the exchange around a month ago, according to the Crypto Basic. Bitrue claims that the program, which offers new users 2 times the benefits for participation, will continue until the end of August. Let's move on to the primary plot of the video for today. The formal debut of the Layer 2 network, Shibarium, has been eagerly anticipated by Shiba Inu aficionados who have been appraising the first difficulties and prospective futures. The scaling solution, however, fell short of the enthusiasm as a result of many problems. Several news sources detailed how the value of tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as Cheap Leash and Bone, fell after the release of Shibarium mainnet. After the blockchain failed to generate blocks, dip-pocketed investors sold their meme currency holdings. Additionally, due to the platform's bumpy start, some 1,000 Ether worth 1.7 million were stranded within the Sheep Bridge. Crypto gamers criticized these occurrences, with some arguing that themed digital assets shouldn't launch meme bridges. Shiba and the new developers do, however, pledge to address the problems afflicting the just-created network. Analysts have also looked at how upgradable the contract is, proving a workable strategy for the team to free the locked Ethereum and assure proper distribution. What follows the rocky beginning? Following its original online release, Shibarium did indeed elicit a range of responses. The discussions may, however, attest to how essential the Layer 2 platform is to the Shiba ecosystem. Shibarium may draw large investments and raise the usefulness of meme coin. Shibarium's formal release marked a substantial evolution of the Shiba Inu platform in addition to scalability. Shiba Inu might become a serious rival in the decentralized financial market by introducing top-notch goods like Layer 2 scaling solutions. Shibarium is still a successful development inside the Shiba network despite its rocky beginning. Long-term structural rallies for the themed cryptocurrency may be welcomed if early problems are resolved and improvements are made continuously. A bright future will improve Shib's standing in the cryptocurrency sector. The trapped money is secure, according to the Shiba Inu team. They also revealed that the challenges that compelled Shibarium to switch to a failsafe mode were greeted by regular transactions and a large-scale development of contracts in a single block. For supporters of meme coin, general market movements, and impending Shiba Inu news are still significant. Shibarium, according to experts, clears the door for Shiba Inu to reach $0.01 since Shib is no longer congested with Ethereum. The Shiba Inu community has been anticipating the introduction of Shibarium for months. The Layer 2 network is still portrayed by experts as a game changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, despite certain mishaps in the launch. Del Crypto, a well-known cryptocurrency analyst and specialist, is one such pundit. Del Crypto highlighted the potential of Shibarium in a recent article on X. The financial expert promoted the goal of $0.01 and explained how the L2 solution can increase the price of SHIB. Against all odds, Shiba Inu earned the top 3 spots. Del CRXTO drew attention to the fact that Shiba Inu, while being afflicted by high transaction fees from the Ethereum network, managed to get to the top 3 list of biggest crypto assets. In particular, Shiba Inu achieved a top 3 ranking in 2021 during its New York rally. Many of our subscribers make the statement that they will stop selling millions of sheep for the next 5 years, mostly because they support the Shiba Inu breeders and think sheep have worth in the real world. How many are you carrying, guys? Please mention the sheep you own in the comments section below. Let's give the sheep holder credit for having faith in the procedure. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you find it entertaining. Join the channel and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you may be informed whenever we publish a new video.